Hello everyone, this is Linda. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about Premiere Pro, how to create new project and settings. If you are a beginner, this video is perfect for you. Before we start, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to get more related videos. Let's started.
Premiere Pro is a widely used video editing software with a wide range of applications. It can be used for various purposes, including social media content creation, short videos, professional editing, promotional videos, TV shows, and movies. Today, we will focus on creating a new project and its settings. Before opening Premiere Pro, open My Computer and navigate to the D drive. Create a new folder and name it Pro001. This folder will serve as the project folder for the video you're going to work on. Open the folder and right-click to create 3 subfolders named Videos, Audio, and Images. Once you have set up the project and organized your video, audio, and image assets into separate folders, it's time to launch Premiere Pro. Double-click on the Premiere Pro project file to open it. This will take you to the home screen, where you'll see the version of Premiere Pro, in this case 2023, and options to create a new project or open an existing one. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a history of recent projects you've worked on in Premiere Pro. If you're a new user, this section will be blank for you. Today, we are focusing on creating a new project, so we won't be opening any existing files. There are 3 methods to create a new project. Click on New Project on the startup screen. Click on File, then New, and select Project. Use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+N. The choice of method depends on personal preference. After creating a new project, a new window will appear. In the Name field, give the project a name, MyPro001. Next, set the location where you want to save the project. You can choose to save it on the C drive, D drive, or browse to a specific location. Click on the folder Pro001 that you created on the D drive. Finally, click on the Create button in the bottom right corner. After clicking on Create, you will be taken to the working interface of Premiere Pro. Now the project is set up. In the Project panel, you may notice a small asterisk next to the project name, indicating that there are unsaved changes. Click on File and then select Save to save the project. Next, let's make some initial settings. Click on Edit, then select Preferences and choose General. In the General Preferences, you will see various settings. You can leave most of them at their default values. However, in the Auto Save section, you can change the interval from 15 minutes to 5 minutes for automatic saving. Next, in the Media section, change the timecode display format from Media Source to Start Timecode at 0 o'clock. Once you have made these changes, click OK. Now, to exit the project, you can either go to File and choose Exit or use the shortcut Ctrl+Q. By doing this, you will exit the project.
That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next time.